The next question from Mareen from Kashmir, India. Can women read the Quran during menses? There's a difference of opinion whether women can read the Quran during menses. Unanimously, all the fuqahas, all the scholars agree that the woman during menses cannot touch the musaf of the Quran, cannot touch the copy of the Quran. This is unanimously agreed upon. All the scholars also unanimously agree that women during the menstrual period, they can recite dua, and if that dua contains a few words of the Quran or a small section of the Quran. The difference of opinion is in that can the woman recite the Quran during menstruation. Most of the fuqaha, most of the scholars, they say that women cannot read the Quran during menstruation. So based on this, according to the Maliki school of thought, the women are permitted to recite the Quran during the menstruation. Even one view of Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal is that a woman can read during menstruation the glorious Quran. And Sheikh ibn Taymiyyah, he believes in this view of Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal that a woman during menstruation can recite the Quran. And even Sheikh Shawkani, he agrees that a woman can recite the Quran during menstruation. But natural, here the woman can only recite what they know from memory because they cannot touch the Quran. But now, alhamdulillah, lately since the last several years, we have got Quran on a digital platform. Computer, a woman in menstruation can read from a mobile the Quran, can touch the mobile, can touch the iPad, can touch the tablet, can touch the computer. This ruling that women touching the Musaf is not applicable here because it's the digital format. So even though all the scholars agree that women cannot touch the Quran during menstruation, but according to Imam Malik and one view of Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal and Imam ibn Taymiyyah and Shawkani and some others, their view is that women can read the Quran during menstruation, but she should not touch it. But naturally, if she has a mobile or a tablet, there's no problem. From that she can read, she can recite. And I also agree with this view of Imam Malik and Imam Ibn Taymiyyah, as well as Imam Shawkani.